Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Gemini API key. First, you will need to visit the Google AI Studio website, which is the central hub for accessing Google's generative AI tools. Once there, locate the Get API Key option, typically found in the left-hand navigation panel. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the terms of service to ensure you understand the usage policies and guidelines for the Gemini API. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's generate your key. On the API Key page, you will see a prominent button labeled Create API Key. Clicking this will prompt you to either select an existing Google Cloud project or create a brand new one for your API usage. After making your selection, your unique API key will be instantly generated and displayed. It is absolutely vital to copy this key immediately and store it in a secure location, as it will not be shown again. With your API key in hand, the next step is to integrate it into your application. This typically involves configuring your development environment to use the key when making requests to the Gemini API. Remember, protecting your API key is paramount. Never hard-code it directly into your source code, especially if your code is publicly accessible. Instead, use environment variables or a dedicated secret management service to keep your key secure and out of sight. Finally, effective API key management is essential for long-term security. Regularly monitor your API key usage and stay aware of any associated quotas to prevent unexpected service interruptions. If a key is ever compromised, or if it is no longer needed for a project, revoke it immediately from the Google AI Studio dashboard. You can always generate new keys as part of a routine security rotation, ensuring your applications remain protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.